All right, let's get a nice cold start on this brand new exhaust. Got something for you. Give me 1 second. Okay, guys, what's up? Today we start off with a cold start on the new exhaust. But today we also are going to stop by the wrap shop so that he can finish up the grill, and then we're gonna send it out to get repainted because it's not matching to the truck. Because the truck has a little flakes in it, and that grill has just straight black with the gloss, but it's like a smidge off. So we're gonna go take that to the truck shop later on, have them send that to the painter, and then also we'll be picking up the train horns today. And if you're not familiar, I am currently stationed in Washington State, so it's in the 30s right now. So me being from the South, it's pretty cold to me. Well, yeah, I'm gonna say to me because some of these people up here be wearing shorts, and yeah. But yeah, that's all we got going on today. But stay tuned. There we go. Much better. guys, she is dirty. Let's zoom out. Okay, we got the tonneau cover back to bed. Can't wait to get this thing sprayed, but it's gonna just grip up along here and, you know, close up. Install it tonight, baby. All right, guys, what's up? It's around like 8:30 at night, but today we will be installing the Gator. I think it's like three or four fold tonneau cover, hard top. We pretty much already got some of the parts already on it. Hardware, what you're going to get in your kit, you're going to get at least 6 clamps to clamp on to each side railing that you're going to basically set this on top of, because it's going to sit flush with your top. You got at least 2 bolts that are going to, well, locking bolts or screws, whatever you want to call it, that are going to go in these holes. It's 2 holes on the top of each end. These are to clamp into the clamps that are attached to the side railing. Yeah, we're just going to get that done. If you are working on this by yourself, you are going to need at least a clamp, grip, wherever you want to call it, preferred, and a 9/16. Only reason I say this for the clamp is just so you can hold it up here while you start working on these. But let's jump straight into it.
Let's kick.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. That's how she go. Took a minute, but was able to do it. I need to screw this part back, but other than that, there's nothing else wrong with it.